What's up, my lords? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. You guys, today is Sunday, and I'm not. I took the weave out of my hair, and I said, I want to shampoo and condition my hair. Shampoo and condition the weave hair, the wefts, and guess what? I'm going to put it right back in. Have you guys ever noticed, like when your hair needs to be shampooed, your skin doesn't look all nice and clean? So yeah, when it started feeling like that, that's when I shampoo my hair for sure. And I shampoo the weave, but sometimes you need to get down and dig into that scalp. So right now I just have a little bit of conditioner on. I'm going to rinse it out. Then I'm going to braid my hair up and put the weave back on. I have the hair under the dryer. Let me show you guys. Hold up. There we go. Hair under the dryer. It should be almost dry. Let me see. Yep, just a little bit more. And it doesn't have to be even all the way dry. I just wanted the wefts, the top of the wefts dry. Okay, you guys, I showed you the hair. Now, I'm going to put just a little bit of heat on my hair with the blow dryer because I don't like my hair being totally blow dry when I'm braiding it up. So I'm going to do that and braid it. And I'm most likely going to do that off camera because I don't feel like dealing with this camera while I'm doing my hair. But you guys will see when I start sewing the hair on and when it's done. Also, I gave myself a good trim again because remember when I shaved it off to almost skin? Now it's about this long, but I'm going to give myself a good trim. Then I'll be good. And it's growing back so thick, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of me. Okay, you guys, I got it braided down. This is all I'm leaving out because the last time I left too much out. Watching my church while I'm doing this. And I'll be back. Okay, my little wires, I'm going to start sewing the tracks on now. And I'm going to attempt to use 3 bundles. I have a small head, so usually all I can use is like 2.5. But I'm going to try to use all 3 bundles. Number 1. And I keep them doubled. I don't cut the tracks, so what I'm doing, I'm sewing the hair going in all the way around. And when I get to the front, it's going to come towards the front of my face. And that will create a perfect flip over. You guys will see. Okay, I'm giving you guys a fun fact. Fun fact is I just, over the past like year to 2 years, I just learned how to cornrow my own hair. I could always braid other people's hair, but I could not do mine. And I could not do my own weave at all. This is like the 3rd time that I've done a sew-in on myself. And this time was the best time because I braided it way tighter this time. Of course, it's longer now, so it's easier to braid. But in the past, when my hair was long, I still couldn't braid my hair and I still couldn't sew a weave in. But this morning I woke up, you guys. I know I'm talking a lot, but yeah, this morning I woke up. I didn't really have anything to do, so I said, you know what? I think I'm going to take this weave out and put a new one in. And it was in there for almost like a month and a half, I believe. Maybe a month. But it was so loose because I didn't braid it tight enough the last time. But it still looked good. You can even tell that it wasn't braided tight up under there, or that the weave was loose. So with that being said, I'm just decided to do it today. And it took me no time to take the weave down. The one that I just had on up. I'm using the same hair. I need to say that too. This is the same hair because I love this hair. It didn't take me that long at all to take it down. It wasn't an hour. I don't even think it was 45 minutes. Then I shampooed and conditioned my hair. And, while the conditioner was on my hair, I shampooed the hair and put it under the dryer so that it can dry. I just basically wanted the tracks dried. And that's it. And then I started sewing it in. So see how it's going around and facing forward to my face? That's cool if you like it that way, but I don't like nothing on my face like that. You will almost always see me with hair that's not on my face. Be it wig, be it weave, be it whatever. So, okay, I'm going to shut up right now so you guys can finish watching me sew this on. Okay, you guys, this is the third bundle that I'm sewing in. And the last time I only used 2 of them. And yeah, I said I wanted it a little bit fuller this time. And it's much fuller, you guys. And I'm stitching it closer together. So yeah. I was gonna just give my hair a break from the weave, but it really doesn't need a break because it's not like I've been flat on it or putting any heat on my hair or anything. So I did shampoo, condition it, and I shampooed and conditioned it. Deep conditioned it, I should say. Put the blow dryer to it, but I didn't get it all the way dry. And I know for sure whenever I start wearing my own hair, it's gonna have to be heat trained again. But I'm just happy because it's so healthy. There's absolutely no shedding anymore. And I'm gonna show you guys this product that I use, these vitamins that I take. They're for hair, skin, and nails. And they did wonders. And I am so glad that I decided to put the weave back in. So glad. It's hot up under there. But I'm almost done. I think it only took me, I've been working on this for like 45 minutes. And it only took me about not even 30 minutes to take the other one down. Whew. Do I need to take a break? No. Get this over with. See where we at? Here we are. Right here. I tried my hardest to use all 3 bundles, but couldn't. My head is too small for 3 bundles, but I did use 2.5. Right now, I'm filling in the back to see if there's space for me to put more of the hair in. So let's see, I found a spot. Okay, you guys, I am done. All 3 bundles couldn't fit, but 2.5 did. So that's good enough for me. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Love it. I can flip it this way. I'll flip it this way. Or I can wear it all back. It all depends. And what I did was on my hair, the little leave out that I left out, I took this small curling iron and curled that, put edge control on it, then it blended in with the hair. And that's it. Let me get myself together because I got a function to go to. Okay, you guys, I came back to show you guys what the hair looked like the next day after it was fully dried and everything. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. And I'm glad I only left a little bit of hair out. And a lot of people think, okay, you gotta leave more hair out than that. No, I like it where my track is starting right here. So that when it slides back a little bit, it still doesn't look like a lot versus starting my leave out back here. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, this is what it looks like after it's fully dry. Okay, my little riders, this is a video from start to finish. You guys, I loved it. Didn't it turn out so pretty? And I love this hair. I love it. Thanks for watching. And also, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe.